Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, sizzling spaghetti. The morning mise en place, just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in a fry pan. I add some red onion and saute. I add the garlic and saute for about 30 more seconds. The hot jacuzzi is ready. Heating up the oil to a shimmer. The linguine is in the hot jacuzzi. And 11 minutes later, the linguine is ready. I add all the veggies and herbs and spices to the linguine. Then I add the oil and it's sizzled and give it a good stir. Then I add the Roma tomato and the Parmesan. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.